Welcome to The Modern Lady, where you'll learn how to elevate your life with elegance. I'm Deborah. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. That way, you'll get an update every time I have a new video to share. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your continued support of my channel. I appreciate and adore you all. Today's video is about how to be an elegant friend. Friendships are definitely not easy to come by, but when you do have a friend, you certainly want to be elegant in that friendship so that you can make the most of that relationship in your life. The first way to be elegant in a friendship is to be caring. How can you be respectful, be supportive, and help your friend in need? When you care about someone and you are showing that compassion, that level of empathy, you're not just going through the motions or telling people what you want to hear, you're telling them something from the heart. So when you're an elegant friend, you are really caring and supportive of someone. If someone's going through a difficult time, maybe they lost their job, they got laid off, or they're going through a divorce, or their pet just died, how can you be supportive and caring for them through that challenging situation? There's a lot you can do to just listen, provide a shoulder to cry on, or just help them in some way that you can do an act or a service for them to ease the burden and lighten the load that they're carrying. But there are so many ways that you can be a caring friend, and really it comes down to just being respectful. When you are respectful, you are treating others the way you would want to be treated, and so you are treating them with that kindness, that respect, so that you can be a caring friend. And this is something that a lot of people talk about sometimes when you are going through really positive, successful situations. You get a promotion or you just bought a new house. You have lots of friends around you that are celebrating. But then in a situation when you're going through something difficult, you're calling people and no one's answering, no one's picking up, no one's around. That's not a true friend. A friend is someone that will be with you through the good and the bad times. So you can be an elegant friend by being caring and supportive with your friends in any situation they may be facing. Whether things are good or bad, you're there by their side being supportive and helpful along the way. The second way to be an elegant friend is to be kind. Now, when you're kind, you're friendly, you're positive, you're upbeat, and you're certainly not jealous. So when your friend is celebrating or going through something, you're happy for them. You're genuinely, authentically happy. You're celebrating with them, and you're not necessarily comparing yourself to them. Now, I have shared a video on this channel about how to deal with people that are constantly complaining, but what if that happens to be you? It's not someone around you, but you're the constant complainer. Well, you can start to focus on being much more positive instead of negative when you're around your friends so that you can be an elegant friend in that friendship. You should focus on the pleasant, the good things in your life, in your day, in your friend's life, and just be able to focus and spend your time and attention talking about those things and thinking about those things rather than dwelling on what's not going well and what's not going right. It's all about perspective. So when you spend more time focusing on the good in your life, then you're living a life and you're feeling good. But if you spend more time focusing on what's not going well and what could be better, then you are going to entirely be focused on that and feel like your life could be so much better. But everybody has good and bad things that happen. So where you spend your time and attention is how you are going to think about things and approach different situations. So if you want to be an elegant friend, spend more time focusing on positive rather than negative things so that you can be a friendly, upbeat, charming friend to be around. The third way to be an elegant friend is to be honest. Honesty is the best policy. That's probably a phrase you've heard before. And it's true. When you are honest, you're telling your truth instead of telling someone what you think they want to hear or a little white lie. It's always in your best interest to be honest with your friends, especially when they're asking you questions or telling you something. There's no reason to lie. If you are in a situation where you're embarrassed about the truth, then you can maybe share that with your friend that you're a little bit embarrassed or it feels a little awkward, but you should never lie and deliberately be dishonest in a friendship. Any true friend that you have, you should be comfortable and confident in being able to be honest with them. Otherwise, why are you friends? Friends are with you through the good and the bad. So you should always be honest in your friendships. Be honest in what you're saying and what you're doing. And you can keep yourself to a high standard of integrity when you do that as well. So when you're an elegant friend, you are honest and you're always straightforward rather than dishonest or telling lies or beating around the bush. There's no reason to hide anything from someone who's a true friend to you. So you should always be honest to be an elegant friend. Now, the last thing I'll mention in this video is that when you are friends with someone, it's always important to be genuine, to be real and authentic, not superficial. You know, we live in this world where with social media and so many different places that people want to appear to be perfect and have everything all together, but they really aren't. Your friendships should not have that level of being superficial. They should be real friendships. And if you're maybe connected to someone and you feel like they're not being real or genuine with you, if it's someone that you would consider a friend, then you should have an honest conversation about that to navigate how you can make some changes so you have a real friendship. There's no reason to be fake friends or be friends with someone by title, but you're not actually living out that value system of being a friend and actually living it out to be a friend to that person. So it's always important when you are thinking about being an elegant friend to consider having genuine, authentic, real friendships rather than superficial ones just for show or just to post pictures online. Real friends are not always easy to come by, but you certainly don't need a million. You just need a few good friends, and that's really all you need in your circle to keep you thriving and flourishing in your life. Ladies, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share some YouTube love, and let me know. I would so appreciate that. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye for now.